Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Yeah, now all your doubts. 10B remaining questions I told and 10D few questions. 10C. So any doubts you have?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, 10B last question.
Yes,
27.
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
27th.
Okay. You have learned this part. You have already solved this question.
Ma'am, but it is telling twice the perimeter, so
Yes.
Ma'am,
I'll show you.
I
Once
can't
in I
hear
will show you.
you're teaching.
What?
Ma'am, what you're teaching?
Quadrilateral, the questions are given for homework?
10B.
Yeah, 10B.
Okay, ma'am.
That is midpoint, no? Midpoint part. Yeah. This question you have solved?
Yes, ma'am.
So here, the same question as the 27th one, same diagram is there, but reverse order. That's not a problem. I will explain you only the method. Now here D and F are the midpoints. So therefore, by midpoint formula, what we can tell?
DF is
D
parallel
equals half BC.
to BC.
DF is parallel to BC and
DF is half of
Half of BC.
DF is half of BC, right? Now E and F are also midpoints. So EF is,
EF is parallel to AB and DF is half of AB
right?
and half of AB.
So you got just now DE. DF is half of BC. EF is half of AB. And what about DE? D and E are also midpoints. So D will be parallel to AC as well as half of AC. Add everything. DF plus EF plus DE is equal to half in bracket AB plus BC plus AC. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
What
ma'am.
is sum of three sides is?
180.
180 degree.
Sum of side perimeter of triangle DEF and AB plus BC plus AC is a, what is this? Perimeter of the triangle ABC. So therefore what happened? This is 2 here, it will go 2 into perimeter of DEF is equal to perimeter of ABC. ABC is a outside, here it is outside and DEF is inside. And now in your given 27th question, ABC is the small one and the PQR is the big one, outside one. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have doubt.
Yes.
Ma'am, I have doubt in question number 21.
21 question number is the NCRT question we have solved.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I have doubt in 10C, 3, 5, and 6.
Okay, 10C. First 10B we will finish. Other doubts of 10B? Any other doubt you have left with 10B or 10B?
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, question number 25.
KLMN are the points on ABBCCDDA respectively of square ABCD such that AK, BL, CM, DN. Yeah, those are weird points. KLMN is a square.
But they have not given that K, L, M,
It
N.
you have to prove it.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I have a doubt in example 19.
First complete this one.
Yes, ma'am.
Example 19 of 10b. Example
Yes, ma'am.
19. Example or exercise 19?
Example 19.
Okay, one second. KL is present on AB, L is present on BC, M and N. These are squares. AK is equal to BL. AK is equal to BL is equal to CM and is equal to BN. This part. Now AB is equal to BC. If AK is equal to BL, then KB is equal to CL. Clear? And that is equal to this part also. And this is equal to this part also. Remaining four sides will be equal because all the sides are equal to each other. Is it clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Then you can prove congruency between this triangle and this triangle. This side is equal to this side. AK is equal to BL. KB is equal to AN. And angle A and angle B are 90. So therefore SAS criteria, these two triangles are congruent. So therefore this side KL is equal to KN. Similarly, here also you can prove this side is equal to this side. And again, if you prove these two, all sides you will get equal. Clear? And now how to prove 90 degrees.
Ma'am, we should join NL and
Here
then
this is
Y
45
SS.
you will get. What? LN. Why?
NL we should join, and between NML and this thing NKL.
Yeah, but 90 degree how you'll prove? By that way how you'll prove 90 degrees? We already know that is all sides are equal.
Yes, ma'am.
Now it is a rhombus that we know. But how to prove it is exactly square? That is one of the angle you have to show 90 degree. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
So for that AB is equal to BC you have to do. AB is equal to BC we know. So half of AB, mm, half,
Angle LKB and KNA are equal.
oh,
So whatever angle BLK will be, that will be NKA.
this angle and this angle is equal.
Yeah,
This is X, this is X, this is Y,
and this is one.
this is Y. Now here
So
it
X
is
plus
X
Y is
plus Y is
90.
90. X plus Y is equal to 90 in triangle AKN. This triangle X plus Y is 90 because A is 90. So in this one also on side AKB, X plus Y plus angle NKL is equal to 180. This is 90 plus angle NKL is equal to 180. So angle NKL is equal to 90 degrees. All sides are equal and one angle is 90, therefore it is square. Clear? So three congruency you have to prove. These two, one. Similarly, you can show this and this is equal and this is equal. Similarly, no need to prove. Only once you can prove it. First say that is which sides are equal. Then after that prove this AKL and BLK. These two triangle congruency and therefore prove that is NK is equal to KL. Then similarly you can directly write BLK and CML are congruent. Therefore this one LM is equal to LK. And similarly these two triangles. No need to prove those three statements. Directly you can write this triangle is congruent to this triangle. These two triangles are congruent, therefore these two sides are equal. It's clear. And similarly these two, so this and this triangle is this to this sides are LM and NK are equal. By once only prove congruency, write similarity and prove sides equal. So therefore all sides are equal. Therefore it can be rhombus or square. Now use this property in this triangle. Consider this angle is equal to this angle by capacity. This angle is equal to this angle by capacity. Give them name as x and y. So in triangle AKL, AKN, x plus y plus 90 is equal to 180. So therefore x plus y is equal to 90. And then use this angle on a straight line property to prove this 90 degrees.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
so basically we have to prove 3 congruencies and 190.
4 congruencies.
Angle triangle KBL.
All 4.
This.
This and this, this and this, this and this and this.
But if we prove that this angle LCM, triangle LCM and NDM, I'm not naming it properly. If we prove they both congruent,
But
and
we don't know this and this are equal also, no?
yeah, but
We
if we
don't know
prove
that.
LCM and KBL, so this is equal to this, and this is equal to this. So indirectly, this is equal
And
to
then
this.
this and this
Yes,
one.
ma'am. Only 3 congruencies.
3 congruencies are needed.
Okay, this and this if you prove, then okay. Then this is equal to this you approved, this is equal to this you approved.
Yeah.
Then how is, okay, this and this you approved, so therefore this and this is also equal. LK and KL, NK and KL are equal. KL is equal to NM you approved, and KL is equal to LM you approved, then all 4 are equal. But you are not supposed to prove anything. Once only you have to prove, and others you can write similarly. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
One congruency, and then similarly, this is equal to this.
Similarly, that congruent to this triangle congruent to second triangle congruent to third triangle. Therefore, by CPCT, KL is equal to LM.
Okay.
No need to prove it again, the same thing, because anyhow the same criteria is there. Then
Ma'am,
19th
10C,
10C.
3, 5, and 6.
In the adjoining figure, ABCD is a parallelogram in which E and F are midpoints of AB and CD respectively. E and F are midpoints, okay. GH is a line segment that cuts AD, EF, BC at GPH, okay, respectively. Prove that GP is equal to PH.
Ma'am, here if I join
We have
diagonals
to do.
also, I'm not getting a triangle.
Is already a parallelogram. The E and F are only the midpoints, no any other midpoints. Just a sec.
Ma'am,
Yes.
if we join AC, there will be triangle APE and CPH.
Triangle congruency won't work here because we don't know P is the midpoint of EF also.
Ma'am, but even then we can prove because the vertically opposite angles one we have.
One only vertically opposite. What about the side? Any angle? We don't know anything.
Ma'am, we have one more side, AC, because it is okay. It's not midpoint also. They have not given.
Okay, got it. Remember this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
BC parallel to EF parallel to AB. Then you have proved D by EA. That means DE is equal to EA. If E is midpoint of AD, then F is midpoint of BC.
Yes, ma'am.
You have proved the same thing in this question also. Third one.
Should we join BD?
GC.
Okay.
This is D, F, C, B, A. Sorry, here it is wrong. Now here, it is a parallelogram, so therefore AD is parallel to BC already, and AB is parallel to DC. F is midpoint, so therefore can we say FC parallel to EB?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. FC is parallel to EB and FC is equal to EB
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
because CD is equal to AB. So therefore half of them are also equal. So FC and EB are parallel as well as equal. So therefore
It is a parallelogram.
FCBE is a parallelogram. Then so therefore BC parallel to EF,
Yes, ma'am.
other side will be parallel. Then BC is parallel to AD also. Therefore BC parallel to EF parallel to AD. All these three sides are parallel.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Now join FC. Keep this point as Q. This is point Q. Now you can see in this triangle CGD, QP is parallel to GD.
Yes, ma'am. And F is
So
midpoint of
F is
CD.
midpoint of CD. So therefore Q is midpoint of GC
Yes, ma'am.
by converse midpoint theorem. Similarly,
Q is midpoint
triangle
of CG and PQ is
GCH,
parallel to CH. Okay.
GCH triangle PQ parallel to CH. Q is midpoint of GC. Just now we have proved. So P is midpoint of GH.
Okay, ma'am.
Clear? Three. The same one is fifth one. Join as Q.
Ma'am, which one?
PQ parallel to SR and MN parallel to PQ. Yeah. Fifth one is also exactly same. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, should we join PR in the fifth one?
Yeah, you can join PR or SQ, anything.
Okay, ma'am.
Exactly same way what we have solved. Two triangles, parallel lines, so therefore one is midpoint, converse midpoint theorem you have to use. Then 3, 5 and
6, ma'am.
ABC in a parallelogram PQRS. PQ is 12, PS is 9. The bisector of angle P meets SR in M. Bisector of angle P meets SR M. So this and this angle is equal. PM and QR both are produced. PM and QR both are produced to meet at T. Find the length RT. This length you have to calculate. Okay. These two angles are equal. Yeah. If these two
Ma'am,
angles
will
are
please.
equal, this angle is equal to this angle,
Yes, ma'am.
alternate interior angles. So that means this is x, this is x. So this is also x.
How,
So
ma'am?
in alternate interior angles, PS is parallel to QR.
Okay. Okay.
So in triangle PQT, two angles are equal. So opposite sides will be equal.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
PQ
So
is equal to
PQ is
QT.
equal to QT.
Yes, ma'am.
They should be 12. And PS is equal to QR. That is 9. So how much is RT?
12 minus 9.
12 minus
3
9, 3.
centimeter.
Okay, ma'am.
Then further, I have told to solve till
3, 5, 6, and 7. You told 4 you will class in. You
Ma'am,
will solve in class.
fourth one solvent. Okay. Yes.
ma'am, we could also take vertically opposite angles here, right? Like SMP and DMR.
But vertically opposite angle, what you will prove by that? Congruency you can't solve. You can't prove
Oh,
congruency because we don't know which sides
okay.
are equal. We don't have the side equal. Clear?
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, which question you were telling? 19th of before 10B.
Yes, ma'am. Example 19.
In adjoining figure, ABCD is a parallelogram. E is the midpoint of AB. Is that?
Yes, ma'am. In that, ma'am, in that only the second part.
Adjoining figure. This angle is equal. ABCD is a parallelogram. E is the midpoint of AB and C bisects angle BCD. So this angle is equal. So these two angles are equal angles. Prove that AE is equal to AD. AE is equal to AD. And D bisects angle DEC ADC. So this we have to prove equal. How are they equal? That we have to prove. Angle DEC is 90. Same way, just we have proved here. This angle is equal to this angle. This is X, it will be. That means EB is equal to BC.
Yes, ma'am.
BE is equal to BC. And BE is equal to AE also. And BC is equal to AD. So therefore, AE is equal to AD. AE and AD are equal. So this and this two sides are equal. So therefore, this angle Y and this angle Y is equal. Now this angle is equal to this angle also. So therefore DE bisects angle D. Clear?
Oh, okay, ma'am. I did till here, like A equals to AD. Then I was like,
AE
what?
is equal to AD. So therefore opposite angles will be equal. So consider them as Y and Y. And this angle is also equal to this angle because alternate interior angles. So therefore these
Yes,
two
ma'am.
angles are equal. So therefore DE bisects angle D. And now in this triangle, what about X and Y? You can take it here. 2y plus 2x is equal to 180 because it is a parallelogram already they have told. So adjacent angle sum is 180. So 2x plus 2y is equal to 180. That means x plus y is 90. So sum of this and this angle is 90. So that means angle sum property this will be 90. Clear?
Okay, okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Any other? The fourth question I told not to solve it. I will solve it. 10C, fourth question.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
ma'am, what is intercept theorem?
Intercept means the part of the transverse which is present between parallel lines. In between parallel lines, whatever the part of uh, transversal is present, that we call as intercepts. Just now in trapezium part you have solved, no? In trapezium, that if P is midpoint of AD, then E is midpoint of, just you have solved that. Just now we have used also.
Yes, ma'am, because there was like hints to solve some questions in that there was intercept theorem, so I didn't know what is that.
The same thing. 1 second, I will show you. Earlier question one reference I have given, no? For the third
Yes, ma'am.
question, that is
Yes.
intercept theorem.
Oh, okay, ma'am.
Here, what is this solve? No, F is midpoint of DC in a trapezium, or if three sides are equal, then if F is midpoint of CD, then you have proof P is also midpoint of GH. That is intercept theorem.
Okay.
That is here. If three lines are parallel, if these three lines are parallel, then part of the transverse between two parallel lines. This is called one intercept. This is two intercepts. So these parts are called intercepts. If these are equal, then the another transverse also, intercepts of these transverse are also equal. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
If AP is equal to PB, then CQ is equal to QD. That is intercept theorem. Okay, so next question is M and N are points on opposite sides AD and BC of a parallelogram. M and N are somewhere points such that MN passes through the point of intersection O of its diagonal AC and BD. So here is the O point. So MN passes through it. Show that MN is bisected at O. That means MO is equal to ON you have to prove. M and N are not midpoints. How to prove?
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, can we prove congruence of triangles here?
How will prove? Tell me. They are not given any midpoints.
Yes, ma'am, we don't even have angles.
But congruency only will work out. So here it is a parallelogram, diagonal bisect each other. OD is equal to OB. Vertically opposite angles and alternate interior angles. Or this angle. So angle D is equal to angle B. Angle O is equal to angle O. And OD is equal to OB. Diagonal bisect each other. ASA, these two triangles are congruent, therefore MO is equal to ON. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Prove it.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
ma'am, you had created any folder to submit the homework that we did?
Quadrilateral one folder only you keep on. Yes, I have done folder for quadrilaterals. In that one by one you have to keep on adding in the same file.
Ma'am,
Same
Oh,
folder
in
you have to keep adding.
okay.
ma'am, I think we can't add more assignments in one, like
You
more.
can do that one. Unsubmit the earlier one when you keep this one adding something. So at that time you will get that is your work part. So there unsubmit it and then submit the second file.
Ma'am, means you will not get the first one then.
You will get that. Both will be
Ma'am,
there.
okay. Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, but for us it will go away.
No, it won't.
Ma'am, I tried, it didn't come.
Okay, I will try. Wait.
Okay.
Just a second, changing slide. I need to check something.
Done, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Done. Then sixth your seventh I told.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Seventh done. Eighth one. In the adjoining figure, AD is the median. You have the questions.
Yes, ma'am.
Other students, what's going on? Yatin, Aditya, I'm not getting any sound from your side. No any queries or nothing I'm getting from your side. So what is the use of staying here? Yes, Aditya? Even not submitting homework also.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
ma'am, I have submitted the homework of 10B and 10C. It's coming both.
Yeah, it will
It's
come
coming
because other students have
10C
done
every
that the
time.
same way.
Yes, ma'am. Okay. So every time you should unsubmit and then submit again.
Yes. You have to
Okay.
unsubmit and submit again. The all earlier files along with that the new file gets submitted.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am, I'll try again.
Try again once. Because it is other students are also doing the same thing. It is happening.
Ma'am, I didn't know that we have to unsubmit and
Yeah,
submit it
first
that way.
unsubmit it and then submit. Well, submitting they will ask both.
Ma'am, that day I was waiting for you to put that, but then I thought you were busy and I
No,
didn't
it's the
put.
same thing.
Okay, I
Because
will
I
do it.
will make again different folders. It will be confusing for you also to find out again, and for me also. AD
Okay,
is the median, so that means D is midpoint of BC. DE parallel to BA. DE parallel to BA show that BE is also a median of triangle ABC. BE is median, yeah, obviously. They have given DE parallel to AB. D is the midpoint of BC. So by converse midpoint theorem, E is midpoint of AC. Therefore, BE is median. Clear?
Ma'am, I was thinking of congruency of triangle.
Every time you are going through the congruency. So here D is the midpoint. AD is a median. That means D is midpoint of BC. DE is parallel to BA. So by converse midpoint theorem, E is midpoint of AC. It's clear?
yes, ma'am.
And if E is midpoint, that means BE, when it is joined, it is a median. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, when will our test be?
9:15, 10:15.
Okay, okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, so in question number 8, only 3-line proof is there.
Yes.
Okay.
Can I try?
Yes.
Ma'am, in triangle BEC, D is midpoint of BC and DF is parallel to BE. Therefore, E is midpoint of EC,
E or F.
and
F
E
is
is
midpoint
already
of AC.
midpoint of EC. So F is midpoint of EC. We know that E is midpoint of AC. So midpoint of half of a line is 1/4 of the whole line.
Yes. E is midpoint of AC. So therefore AE is equal to EC half of AC. Then triangle BEC DF parallel to BE. D is midpoint of BC. So therefore by converse midpoint theorem, F is midpoint of AC. So CF is equal to half of EC, and EC is CF is 1 by 2 AC. So this is equal to 1 by 4 AC is CF. Clear? Is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Class 10 students, I will start at 10:15. So till that you can solve 15.3 statistic, question number 18th, 19th. Is it clear? Class 10th,
Yes,
Can you
ma'am.
please
Yes,
repeat the
ma'am.
questions?
18th, 19th, 20, 21. So at least solve. Try that one first.
Okay, ma'am.
I will be back at 10:15. I will continue yours at 10:15. Yeah. Done? Class 9?
Yes, ma'am.
10th one, can you solve? 10th, 11th. Read the question. All these are NCERT questions further onwards.
Ma'am will start solving.
Those are NCERT questions. You can try at home again. All are NCERT. 10th
Okay.
onwards. 10th to 18th, all are NCERT questions. See, read those questions. You'll get to know.
Ma'am, 10th we have already done.
Yes, all of
Yes.
them you have done. 10 to 18, everything you have done already.
Okay, ma'am.
11 we have done.
But you have to solve it again as homework. So that is you will practice the same questions again.
Ma'am, so
Ma'am,
that
10 to 18 questions are homework then.
Hmm.
Okay.
Solve some
okay.
MCQ questions.
Ma'am,
And say,
MCQ is at the back of
yeah,
our
after
syllabus.
349 page number.
Okay. Ma'am, so now we are doing MCQ.
Yes.
Okay.
Ma'am, can you repeat which MCQ?
And I'm giving you. RS Agarwal.
Ma'am, for first, second, and third, can we write direct answers?
Yeah, right answers you can do it.
Okay.
Just a second, I'm uploading. Class 10, 15.3, RD, 18th question.
Ma'am, even in maths, we'll get assertion reason type questions.
No, maths don't. Maths don't have assertion reason type of questions. These are the
Ma'am, but
MCQs.
it is there. Ma'am, but it is there on page number 355.
They have given, but it won't be asked.
Oh, okay.
Whoever don't have these questions.
Ma'am, should we write these answers in notebook or just tell answers?
Solve and this and write in your notebook.
Can we write directly
Yeah.
without steps?
Without step, how you'll do that? First one. You don't do addition, subtraction.
Yeah, but not on paper.
Why not on paper?
Okay, ma'am.
First one's answer?
Ma'am, option B, 73 degrees.
73, ma'am.
73.
73. Okay. Second one?
Option B, 60 degrees.
60 degree. Okay. Third one?
Ma'am, option
Option
C,
C.
45
Option
degrees.
45 degree. 45 degrees. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
If it is a rhombus such that angle ACB is equal to 50, then angle ADB is equal to
Ma'am, answer is 130 degree. Fourth one.
ACB is
Is ma'am getting
50,
40 degree?
ADB.
Ma'am, C and D are always adjacent angles.
Yeah, always.
So 130 degree.
130 degrees. Of which one?
Answer 4.
Ma'am, I'm getting 40.
ACB and
Yes, ma'am.
ADB.
Ma'am, I'm getting 40.
Ma'am, even I'm getting 40.
Check.
Ma'am, if angle C is 50, then by quadrilateral
ADB they have asked. And ACB is given. They are not adjacent angles.
Answer 40 is correct.
Wait. It is a rhombus, no? Okay. 100. Then this is 80. 40 is right answer.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yeah. Draw figure. Don't play with mind games. So it is figure will not be this improper until or unless you draw on the figure or draw this paper properly. They have given angle ACB, not BCD. And ADB they have asked.
diagonals
ma'am,
angles.
is the fifth answer rhombus?
Diagonals are equal.
Ma'am,
No.
rectangle.
Rectangle diagonals are equal. Square and rectangle have diagonals equal. Parallelogram and rhombus don't have. Diagonals of the quadrilateral bisect each other at right angles. Then it is a
Rhombus.
rhombus. Sixth one is rhombus.
Rhombus or square.
Here it is option square is not there.
Yes,
The
ma'am.
length of the diagonals of the rhombus are 16, 12. The length of each of its side is
10. Ma'am, by Pythagoras theorem.
8. 16 is half part.
8
C
and
is
6.
16, so AO will be 8. BD is 12, so OB is 6. 8, 6, right,
100.
Pythagoras triplets 10.
10.
So AB will be 10. The length of each side of the rhombus is 10. One of its diagonal
Some
of
12
its length
centimeter.
16. So other
Last
diagonal
question.
will be the earlier question. So same thing, 12 centimeter. The diagonals of rectangle inclined to one side of the rectangle is 35 degrees. The acute angle between the diagonals is acute angle between the diagonal.
Now it is 110 degree really. 70 degree, ma'am, I think. The answer is 70 degree.
Yeah. Acute angle between the diagonals.
Ma'am, it is 70 degree.
How?
Ma'am, they are talking about like the two diagonals. If they the angle is 35 degree, so if we draw a triangle, then the third angle will be 110 degrees, but it is obtuse angle, and the acute angle between the diagonals is the angle which is adjacent to it. So 180 minus 110 is
This
70.
angle is 35. So this angle will be also 35 because diagonals of the rectangles are equal.
Yeah,
And this is the
yeah,
obtuse angle. So this angle is interior opposite angles. Sum of interior opposite angle as it is exterior angle.
yes, ma'am.
70. ABC is a parallelogram with two adjacent sides. Angle A is equal to angle B. Then the parallelogram is
A rectangle.
Rectangle.
rectangle. Because A and B are equal, so A plus B is 180 co-interior angles. So therefore 2A is equal to 180, A is 90. So one angle of the parallelogram is 90, that means it is a rectangle.
Ma'am, then which question number we should solve now?
I will tell you, keep solving.
Okay.
I will stop you when it is needed to be.
How can we do answer 11?
Why? What happened?
Ma'am, is it 50?
Yes, right, it's 50. Can you explain?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, in quadrilateral ABCD,
This is a capital.
ma'am, in quadrilateral ABCD, the sum of angle C and angle D is 100 degrees.
This is 30, this is 70. This is O. Yes, C and D is 100.
Okay. Ma'am, we know that the sum of all the angles in a quadrilateral is 360 degrees, so that the sum of angle A and angle B will be 260 degrees.
Yes, right.
And then we know that AO and BO are angle bisectors of angle A and angle B respectively. So
So it
angle,
is x we will consider. This is y we will consider.
yes ma'am.
So A means 2x plus 2y is equal to 260. So
2x
x
plus
plus
y
y is equal to
130.
130.
So in
So
triangle AOB
angle
by
sum
angle sum
property,
property, angle O will be 50 degrees.
50 degrees. X plus y, this AOB triangle x plus y, two angles, the sum is 130. So therefore left out angle is 50 degrees. Angle sum property. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.